Digital India revolution. Madam Speaker, India is now leading the world in the consumption of mobile data. Monthly consumption of mobile data increased by over 50 times, 50 गुना. पिछले 5 वर्षों में मोबाइल डेटा 50 गुना बढ़ा. The cost of data and voice calls in India is now possibly the lowest in the world. Today, under Make in India, mobile and mobile part manufacturing companies have increased from 2 to more than 268, providing huge job opportunities. More than 3 lakh common service centers employing about 12 lakh people are digitally delivering several services to the citizens, particularly in rural areas. The common service centers are expanding their services and also creating digital infrastructure in the villages, including connectivity, to convert the villages into digital villages now. हमारी सरकार की योजना है कि अगले 5 वर्षों में हम 1 लाख डिजिटल विलेजेस बनाने जाएंगे. Jan-Dhan, Aadhaar, mobile and direct benefit transfer have been game changers. Bank nationalization was first done 50 years ago, but a large part of the country was left out of the economic mainstream with no access to formal banking. In the last 5 years, nearly 34 crore Jan-Dhan bank accounts were opened. Aadhaar is now near universally implemented. This has helped ensure the poor and middle class receive the benefits of government schemes directly in their bank's account by eliminating middlemen. बिचौलियों को हमने समाप्त किया. Entertainment industry is a major employment generator. To promote entertainment industry, single window clearance for ease of shooting films, earlier available only to foreigners, is now going to be made available to Indian filmmakers as well. Regulatory provisions will rely more on self-declaration. We will also introduce anti-camcording provisions in the Cinematograph Act to control the menace of piracy. हम सबको पिक्चर बॉलीवुड का भी शौक रहता है, पिक्चरें भी देखते हैं, और ये इतने बड़े रूप में रोजगार का अवसर प्रदान करता है. भारत में अन्य क्षेत्रों में फिल्म बनाने का काम बहुत बड़े गति से चल रहा है. तो उन सबको रोजगार मिलेगा, चाहे वो तेलुगु में फिल्म बने, चाहे मलयालम में बने. अभी हाल में आप सबने शायद देखी हो, मेरे को तो उरी पिक्चर देखने का सौभाग्य मिला. जो मजा आया, जो जोश था उस हॉल के अंदर. Simplification of direct tax system to benefit taxpayers. Madam Speaker, for making the life of our direct taxpayers easy, we reduced tax rates more for the common man and middle class and made the interface with the tax department much simpler and largely faceless. Due to this, the tax collections increased significantly from rupees 6,38,000 crore in 2013-14 to almost 12 lakh crore rupees this year. The number of returns filed have also increased from 3.79 crore to 6.85 crore, showing 80% growth in tax base. I thank the honest taxpayers of India for reposing faith in our government. Let me assure them that we have used their contribution to serve the poor and create better infrastructure. The Income Tax Department now functions online. Returns, assessments, refunds, and queries are all undertaken online. Last year, 99.54% of all returns, इंडिविजुअल के हो, व्यापारी के हो, उद्योग के हो, सभी रिटर्न्स का 99.54%, 99.54% रिटर्न्स को एक्सेप्ट कर दिया गया जैसे फाइल हुए, बिना कोई स्क्रूटनी, बिना कोई अधिक कार्रवाई. Our government has now approved a path-breaking, technology-intensive project to transform the income tax department into a more assessee-friendly one. All returns will be processed in 24 hours and refunds issued simultaneously. Within the next 2 years, और ये बहुत important बात है, within the next 2 years, almost all verification and assessment of returns selected for scrutiny also will be done electronically through an anonymized back office manned by tax experts and officials without any personal interface between the taxpayer and the tax officer. आगे चल के स्क्रूटनी के लिए भी आपको दफ्तर नहीं जाना पड़ेगा और किसका स्क्रूटनी हो रही है और कौन अफसर है ये दोनों को एक दूसरे का परिचय नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा, वो कंप्यूटर के थ्रू एनोनिमाइज हो जाए. Reducing the tax burden on the middle class. Reducing the tax burden on the middle class has always been our priority ever since our government took office in 2014.